Okay, quick introduction. This is the Infinix Hot 12i. It was released about a week ago, but the processor inside the phone is 4 years old. Don't ask me why Infinix did this, I'm just as confused as you are. This phone costs 67,000 naira or $129. But let's get into the unboxing and the full review. My name is UD, I talk about tech, let's shoot. So inside the box of the Infinix Hot 12i, we get the phone, a hard plastic case, the X Club dollar bill, SIM ejector pin, wired earphones, micro USB cable, and a 10-watt charging brick. So yeah, we get the usual from Infinix, the complete set. The color here is polar black. However, there are 3 other colors available. By now you can probably tell it's a glossy finish from the way it reflects light. And it looks pretty cool. It has this pattern on the rear that makes it reflect light in this zigzag way. But I like it, it's fun. There is no screen protection or water and dust resistance, so be careful. By the way, if you haven't already, do hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Towards the right side of the phone, we get the volume rockers and the power button. At the bottom, we get the headphone jack, the primary microphone, micro USB port, and the mono speaker grill. To the left, we get the dual SIM card plus memory card slots. And at the back is where the fingerprint scanner is located, and it's pretty slow. Not because it's a bad fingerprint scanner, but the processor, the chipset inside the phone. More on that later in the video. The display. So we get a 6.6-inch 720p LCD display, and it's pretty much what you'd expect from this price brackets. No high refresh rate, thick bezels, you get it. Still very much okay for watching videos or the Champions League. Android 12 has been available for up to 5 months now, but still, Infinix thinks we are not ready for it. This device is running Android 11 as well as their other devices. We get a 5000 mAh battery capable of 10 watts of fast charging, so we are looking at about 3 hours of charge time. My variant has 3GB of RAM with memory fusion, that's 6GB, but there's another variant with 2GB of RAM that costs 61,000 naira or $120. Both variants have 64GB of storage. Now it's all being powered by the MediaTek Helio A22 processor, which is really outdated, and it shows. Using the fingerprint scanner like I mentioned earlier is slow. Opening even the stock apps on the phone is slow. And playing games on here is just not it. This processor is showing its age. It's fine for basic tasks like calling or texting, but if you like playing games, this phone is not it. Lastly, the cameras. So we get a triple camera setup on the back, a 13 megapixel main sensor, 2 megapixel depth camera, and an AI camera. Now I have no idea what that AI camera does. If you do, please let me know in the comments below. Now up front we get an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Shots from the main and selfie have good HDR, surprisingly, mostly with the sky. Before you take the picture it looks blown out, but then you take it and the image processes and it looks better. Just don't zoom in cause then it will look terrible again. Portrait shots are no good, it's way too bright in my opinion, and edge detection is miss or miss. Hey guys, so this is selfie video from the Infinix Hot 12i, also doubles as audio quality test. So let me know what you think of both the video quality and the audio quality. So bright. So as you can probably tell, I am not a fan of the Infinix Hot 12i, especially that outdated processor. But what do you think of the Infinix Hot 12i? Let me know in the comments below. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. My name is UD, this is UD Shoot. Thank you so much for watching, and you see me in the next one.